Hey guys, and in today's video, we're going to be opening up these Pokemon 25th anniversary packs. So let me just put the camera like this, so it's easier for you guys to see the stuff that we are getting. So yeah, let's just get started. So in here it says that there is a scene and 2 Pokemon cards in each of these. Let's get started. And just open it up. Alright, so first off we have Turtwing. He's cute. There's that one. Ooh, and we have Sobble. And here's our cute little rock cliff scene. Well, that's the first one. Alright, let's open up the second pack. La 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 la. Ooh, we have 2 cards. We have Pansage and Grookey. And what's our scene? We open it up. We have this scene. It's a beach scene. There's only 2 scenes, so we got both scenes. On to the next pack. Alright, let's get started with this pack. Let's open it up. Ooh. Our 2 cards. We have Braxton and Gallade. And here is our nice rocky cliff scene. Here's the next pack. So let's just get opening with this pack. Alright. We have Mudkip. Ooh, cute. Ooh. And we have Popolo. And this is our scene. Our rocky cliff scene. We got 2 times in a row now. Alright, let's get on to our next pack. I actually love Pokemon cards. You guys probably didn't know that. We have, what's his name? Philip, and Totodile. And our scene, let me just get it out. And it is our beach scene. Wow, we got that scene again. Alright, let's get started with this one. We got our first ever, we have our first duplicate of the video pop up. That's okay. And then we have Justin, who is new. And we are with the rocky cliff scene again. Well, yeah, I guess that's just on to the next pack. We have Rowlet. Oh, we have a GX card. Oh my gosh, this is a ultra rare card. That means you have to get an ultra rare scene, which is the beach scene, which is really easy to get. Alright, here's this. Let's just get opening with this pack. Ooh, we have a sparkly Snivy. Sparkly. We have a Jigglypuff. Alright, let's get opening. And of course, we have to have this scene. Oh, there's a rocky cliff scene. Alright, guys, here's the third pack. Let's get opening. Ooh, we have a Thunder Mountain trainer card and a reverse hollow sparkly rock rush. And our scene is our rocky cliff again. Alright, here we have the next pack. Let's open it up. Ooh, we have a Metapod and a Hippopotamus. Let's get our scene. Oh, finally, we got our beach scene. Alright, then we have the next pack. Let's open it up. We have Bulbasaur and Voltorb. And our scene is going to be our rocky cliff. Alright, next pack. Let's open these up. Ooh, Cleffa and this Yamcha Break card. It's sparkly. And we have our rocky cliff scene. Alright, we have our next pack. And it's going to be, Weedle and Poliwag. And what's our scene gonna be in it? It's gonna be, oh great, another one of these rocky cliffs. Alright, guys. We have this next pack. Check it out. We have Chimchar and a trainer, which is Slobo Spirit Link. And we have our island, our beach thing, finally. Next, we have, Magikarp and Coughing. And our scene is obviously the Rocky Cliff, because we keep getting that. Let's get started with this pack. We have Froggy, and we have another version of Froggy. We have two different versions of Froggy. And we have the Rocky Cliff. Alright, up next, we have Rattata and Clefairy. And yay, finally, our island. Alright, up next. I apologize if this video is long. I ordered a lot. We have Oshawott and, I dropped it. It's Kakuna. And we have, oh wow, our theme again, yay. Alright, up next we have, oh wow, Volcanor and Bellsprout. And we have our Cliff again. Alright, we have the next pack. And we have Licking Tongue and a Fire Energy. What the heck? Oh my gosh, there's stuff on this. I don't know what the heck is that, but okay. Oh, weird. And then we have our island version. Yay. Alright. Then we have the next pack. We have Numel and Beastburner. Ooh. We'll go move that card aside. And we have our Cliff, of course. Up next, we have Oddish. And right here is a Golbat. And we'll go back to the side so we can open up our island. It's really very good island. Alright, up next, we have Ghastly and Zora. Ooh. And our theme is going to be our Rocky Cliff. Alright, up next, we have Electabuzz and a Purple Energy. And I'm excited to see our Cliff. Definitely not. Up next, we have this and this. And our last pack is going to be a Gligar and a Spritzee. And it's going to end off with the Cliff. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.